Generation by generation, kids are becoming more and more disconnected from nature. Many kids spend very little time exploring the woods, exploring the creek, or just appreciating the outdoors. The Nature of Teaching Wildlife created as an opportunity to provide natural resources-based lesson plans that provide opportunities to get children outdoors, as well as being curriculum that is state standards based.
There were a lot of things I really liked about the Nature of Teaching workshop. One of the most important things that I'm going to take away from this is my binder full of lessons that I can go and implement in my classroom within the next week.
The Nature of Teaching has offered 11 workshops to nearly 200 teachers. 72% of our Indiana teachers have implemented the curriculum to over 1,000 students. Teacher workshops have expanded into Maine, Wisconsin, Michigan, Missouri, and Illinois. Our nature-based curricula has been downloaded more than 300,000 times all across the U.S.
I initiated the Lincoln Green Thumbs program for our kindergarten through 5th grade. Last year we had 40 participants. This year we have 90. That is nearly 1/3 of our school population. I, with the help of other teachers from my school who also attended these wonderful workshops, have been able to integrate many wonderful things through our school garden. The school garden is helping the children to learn about pollinators, composting, and making their own gardens in their own homes. Since integrating these lessons, we have seen positive changes in behavior, problem solving, and academic progress.
For questions about the nature of teaching, contact us at www.purdue.edu/nature or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.